In this video, I'll detail how to enable haptics on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to turn on the haptics on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. Haptics is the basic vibration you feel when you rotate the digital crown or when you interact with anything on your Apple Watch. So if added on this video you found this very informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first one to do to enable or turn on haptics on Apple Watch is press the digital crown once, wherever you are, to return to the clock face. Then from the clock face again, press the digital crown to go to the app menu. On the app menu, locate and click on the settings icon. Now scroll down until you get to sound and haptics, and then click on that. Now once you selected that, scroll down until you get to haptics. You can just scroll through the screen like this, or use the digital crown to scroll down the screen, then click on haptics. Then on the haptics page, you want to choose between default or prominent. The moment you choose default, you should feel the vibration and the sound, and the moment you select prominent, you should feel a longer vibration than the default. So that's all you need to do to turn on or enable haptics on Apple Watch. So if you found this live informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.